Okay, I think we are good here. So, uh, on the next video, we covered about what is WordPress and dashboard WordPress, all this function here until the text. So now, let's go to the media. You see, we have library and add new. That is the part where we can add the new media. As you can see here. Okay, let's get rid of this things. Okay. Uh, we have a lot of media and a lot of images that are used on the post or everywhere else on this website. We have the grid layout here, or we have this other option, and we can add a new media if we want right here, or if we put the media in the post, it can be pop up right here. Okay, the next one we have pages. Here we can add new page. The same thing as we said for the post are here also. Help as well. Okay, let's get rid of those things. Okay, these are the pages. Like about. Let's go here and check. About page. This is the blog view. Just let me explain. This is the okay. Sorry, this is ads from the Google. Okay, we are on the home page here, and this is the first view. And if we go here, we have a blog page. This is the page only for blog. And if I come back, and if I click all posts, this is a dedicated page just for the post. As you can see here, we have the pages down to 94. 94 is the number of the current post we have here. So if we go down, okay, like here, as you can see, 94 items. All right, so uh, pages has their the category, what they are on. We can add title of the page, the slag of the page. Slag, what is the slag? Slag is this one. Okay, let's say we are here, contact, contact here, quick edit. This is contact. Okay, and we go to contact. As you can see here, this is the slag here. This is the date per when it's posted, and as we talk for the categories, we can add pages as main page or under the next one if needed. We can choose the theme, we can choose the order. If we add as another page as a parent, we can add password protected, and we can make it private, example, or like let's do password protected 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay, just a test. This is the let's do the contact. Okay, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay, update. This is the contact page, and if we go here, if we go to contact, we see this option here. So if we put 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 enter. Okay, it is a contact page. So this is just a quick edit. Let's remove the password and save. These are the pages. This is a plugin. This is also another plugin. This is another plugin. Here are the comments. We are going to explain just the WordPress based core options on the left menu that are always here, because this one depends if you need, and this one as this one as well. This one as well. So here we are. We have the comment. As you can see, we have a lot of comment that is all robot, and we don't need. So what we can do here, we can go here, and as you can see, I have the number 150. So if we go down, we see here we have 1 to 9 pages. So mm, let's go up, close to this. Okay, the elevator. Okay, okay here, and let's remove all these posts, these comments. Sorry. Okay, you can click here. As you can see the editor again, comments, and you're supposed to submit the date when this comment is submitted. So we have select all here. As you can see this checkbox, all, or you can select one by one. Here, bulk action, mark, move to trash, apply. We have trash also here, other comments. There are a lot of people try to spam and, and post different comments. So, okay, let's do the same thing. To trash, apply. Let's do 1991. So again, this is boring, but there are a lot of tools you can block the others to post comments here. So let's do again. Six nine one. Let's do again. Five again. Okay. It's taking so long. Here it is. True for one. I think it should be just one last. Okay, 91. Sorry. Josh. Okay, as you can see, we tried too much to delete the comments, so the server got the maximum size allowed. So if you want to understand this one, you can copy this and go to Google, just place this one, and you can see in the case of the form for request URL to URL, the problem is clear. The URL is being passed to the server to pick. To fix it, you'll need to change your up page or ng server settings. This doesn't take too long, and once you're done, you should back up and running. So it doesn't mean close it. We can go back. You can hit refresh. We can try again. So it means we can't bulk delete anymore because we need to change this thing. And we can search here. So I know how to do, but just to explain to you. Okay. Okay, these are the some option you can do that. Okay, let's move ahead on the spam comments. No one is spam. This is a GPR cookie and concept. So I don't know if you need that. Uh, depend on your depend on your country. So how can we check that? Let's see. Let's try. I think I have already accepted. So okay, it doesn't pop up. Sometimes it pop up here. But anyway, let's do. Let's see what's last. This is to clean up the post. Before you delete any post, please first take backup and deliberation. Yes, this is a delete post. You can delete all the posts if you want. We can try comments. As you can see, we have approved comment, trash comments. Okay, delete now, delete time, and delete comments. Let's see what will happen. Okay, it seems it's zero. So what we can do is let's go to the comments, which is I think we just got this. So we see all are zero. Of trash. Okay. Okay, and here is the Elementor. I will explain this one on the next video.